Did you know that just 5 simple exercises could completely transform how your body looks and feels? Stick around because we're diving straight into the first one, the powerful and often overlooked dead hang. You've probably seen people hanging from a bar at the gym looking like they're doing nothing, but trust me, this is one of the most underrated exercises you can do for your body. The dead hang targets your shoulders, decompresses your spine, and strengthens your grip, all with 0 movement. Plus, if you sit a lot during the day, this is a must-try. Here's how to do it. Find a pull-up bar or anything sturdy overhead. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width and let your body hang naturally. Keep your shoulders relaxed and engage your core. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds to start. Sounds easy, right? Wait until you try it. Work your way up to holding for 1 to 2 minutes and watch how it transforms your upper body strength and posture. Dead hangs are fantastic for improving upper body strength, shoulder mobility, and posture. They can also alleviate tension in the spine, making them ideal for anyone who sits for long hours. It's simple, effective, and accessible for almost everyone. Glute Bridge. Next up, let's shift focus to your lower body and core with the Glute Bridge. This simple move is a powerhouse for building glute strength, improving core stability, and loosening tight hip flexors. It's a game changer, especially if you've been dealing with lower back tension or tight hips. To do it, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your core tight the whole time. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower yourself slowly. Feeling it in your lower back? That's a good sign. If you want to take it up a notch, try the single leg variation or add weight across your hips. Either way, this move will leave you feeling stronger and more stable with every step you take. The Glute Bridge is more than just a glute exercise. It's a foundation for better movement and posture. Strong glutes support your lower back, stabilize your hips, and improve your overall mobility. Plus, it's a versatile move you can do virtually anywhere. Incorporate the Glute Bridge into your routine and you'll notice the difference with every step, stride, and squat. Farmer's carry now. Let's hit full body strength with the farmer's carry. At first glance, it might just look like walking with weights, but trust me, this move is a game changer. It builds muscle in your shoulders, strengthens your grip, stabilizes your core, and boosts your overall balance. It also mimics real-life activities like carrying groceries or hauling luggage, so it's perfect for making everyday tasks feel a whole lot easier. To do it, grab a pair of dumbbells, kettlebells, or any heavy objects you can securely hold. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest up, and core engaged. Imagine a string pulling you upward from the top of your head to keep your spine straight. Now, take slow, steady steps, focusing on maintaining a stable posture. Try walking for 30 to 60 seconds per carry. As you get stronger, increase the weight or the duration of your walk. This exercise will not only make you stronger, but also more functional in your daily life. Plus, it'll help reduce the risk of injury by training your body to handle heavy loads safely. The farmer's carry is more than just an exercise. It's a blueprint for functional strength. It trains your body to handle heavy loads safely, reducing the risk of injury in both workouts and daily life. Whether you're lugging groceries, hauling luggage, or chasing after a toddler, the strength and stability you build with this move will translate directly into your everyday activities. Resting squat now. Let's restore some mobility and flexibility with the resting squat. This is one of the most natural positions for your body, but modern life has made it harder for many of us to get into and stay in this deep squat. Not only does this movement build strength in your legs and core, but it also improves the mobility of your ankles, hips, and knees. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes slightly turned out. Slowly lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your heels flat on the ground and your chest upright. Aim to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds at first, and gradually work up to 1 to 2 minutes over time. If balance is a challenge, hold on to a sturdy object for support. Just remember, keep your heels down and your knees tracking over your toes. This move will not only improve your squatting ability, but also transfer over to other exercises, making them easier and more effective. Your hips, knees, and lower back will thank you. The resting squat is more than just a mobility drill. It's a foundational movement that translates into better performance in other exercises and daily activities. By improving the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles, you'll find squatting during workouts becomes easier and more effective. Plus, this position can help alleviate lower back stiffness and promote healthier posture overall. Thread the needle. Finally, let's work on some rotational movement with thread the needle. This simple yet powerful exercise targets your thoracic spine, shoulders, and upper back, areas that often get stiff from poor posture or long hours at a desk. Adding rotational movement to your routine is key for improving flexibility, reducing tension, and enhancing your mobility as you age. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Reach one arm under your body, threading it through the space between your opposite arm and leg, allowing your torso to rotate. Keep your hips stable, then extend your arm as far as you can while following your hand with your eyes. Hold for a moment, then return to the starting position. Now, reach your arm up to the sky, following your hand with your eyes, and continue rotating. Focus on slow, controlled movements to maximize the stretch. Want an extra challenge? Hold a light resistance band or weight in your moving hand to deepen the stretch and activate more muscles. This move will help open up your upper back and restore fluidity to your movements. Thread the needle is a fantastic way to open up your upper back, improve rotational mobility, and counteract the stiffness caused by daily life. This move not only enhances flexibility, but also promotes healthier posture and smoother, more fluid movements. Incorporate this exercise into your routine, and you'll feel the difference in how your body moves and responds, whether during workouts or everyday tasks. Your thoracic spine, shoulders, and upper back will thank you. Quick workout routine. Now that you've got the exercises down, here's how to combine them into a quick and effective routine. You can do this workout 3 times a week for full body strength, mobility, and flexibility, all in just 20 minutes. Dead hang, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Build up to 1 to 2 minutes over time. Glute bridge, 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Farmer's carry, walk for 30 to 60 seconds, 3 rounds. Thread the needle, 2 sets of 10 reps per side. Resting squat, hold for 20 to 30 seconds. 2 to 3 rounds. Remember to rest for about 1 minute between sets. This workout is quick, effective, and designed to give you noticeable results when done consistently. So get started and let your body feel the difference. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who could use this routine too. Feeling stronger? Share this video with a friend who needs a quick, effective workout. Let's spread strength and build healthy habits together.